Senator Ginal.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move Senate Bill 123. There are no committee reports.
To the bill.
Thank you, Madam Chair. This bill authorizes the Department of Healthcare Policy and Financing to expand the program to allow drug importation from nations other than Canada upon enactment of federal legislation permitting states to do so. In 2019, we successfully passed Senate Bill 5, which allowed HCPF to pursue a Canadian prescription drug importation program. This helps Coloradans struggling with the escalating costs of their medications. The United States pays the highest costs in prescription medications. I don't think this issue actually affects one side of this aisle or the other. It affects everyone. It affects seniors who, are progressively as they age, need medications for heart disease.
Excuse me, members, it's a little loud, and the sponsors are having difficulty. If you could please keep your talking to a minimum. Go ahead and proceed.
Thank you, Madam Chair. As I was saying, this is not an issue that affects one side of the aisle or the other. It affects all of us. It's bipartisan. Seniors, younger people, and families with high deductible plans. Some of them have to do out-of-pocket costs for prescription drugs. But underserved populations, as well as people of color, who are disproportionately affected by chronic conditions. It's a fact that there is an increase, significant increase, in diabetes and heart disease and stroke in people of color. In the United States, the brand name prescription drug prices are averaging about 3.5 to 4 times the prices that are paid in other countries. Countries like Australia, the United Kingdom, France, Germany. Why? They have put in price negotiation capabilities and other controls that we, as a nation, have not. HCPF analyzed 50 top prescribed drugs used in Colorado and compared these prices for the same brand drugs, exact same thing, from Canada, France, and Australia. Importing from Canada, saved by commercial carriers, you can save about 63% on the cost of a prescription drug. If you import from France, 84%. If you import from Australia, 78%. So Senate Bill 123 expands the Canadian importation program to additional countries should federal statute be changed to permit it. And I just want to touch upon another thing that comes up, and that's drug safety. This bill maintains the strict standards and regulations that are in place now. We're not importing narcotics. We're not importing biologics. It is FDA regulations that we trust as consumers every single day. Specifically, I want to give you an example that is important to us right now. The current example is Pfizer vaccines. And I want to thank Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson. Particularly Pfizer in this case, 1 billion units are being distributed from the United States and German manufacturers and manufacturing sites to sell the exact same vaccine all over the world. According to Pfizer's own website, we have years of proven experience in supply chain and cold chain management, and we are accelerating development of innovative technologies to further advance our capabilities as a supply chain leader. Our track record gives us confidence in our ability to quickly scale and manufacture and distribute large quantities of a high-quality COVID-19 vaccine, leveraging multiple sites in the United States and in Europe. So to clarify, this bill would enable importation of the same drugs that we are getting now from other countries, but will enable us to bring them into our state of Colorado, at a lower price through our importation program. It also ensures compliance with extensive drug safety, regulatory framework, and other factors. Specifically, they have to be FDA approved. The FDA has cooperative agreements and plant inspections with other countries. For example, the FDA has cooperative agreements with the European Medicines Agency, the EMA, which covers the 27 nations in the European Union. Also, Health Canada, the Japan Ministry of Health and Therapeutic Goods Administration, which oversees and is the FDA of Australia. These drugs that we are importing have to be sample tested for quality, for authenticity, and for degradation, tracked and traced according to federal supply chain law, and relabeled in the United States using our FDA labeling requirements. I ask for your support on this bill to expand the Canadian drug importation program that is underway right now because of Senate Bill 5. And please support this bill to expand it to other countries other than Canada. Thank you.